I had to cut out a bit more of the support for under the bonnet, because the throttle, I don't know what this part of the throttle is, but this touched the bonnet, and that's because I am using like this adapter. I don't remember the name of the adapter, but it's like, because my engine is AMK. It's a engine from Audi S3 2002. Usually the intake of this, on stock, the intake goes in this direction, and it has a small port intake, and this is a small port head, but I'm using a big port intake manifold, so I had this adapter, and this adapter is, I don't know, about 10 millimeters in thickness. So the intake is 10 millimeters a bit in this direction, a bit upwards and back. And previously I had to cut the bonnet because this part, and I think this one, no, I think it was only this part, was hitting the bonnet. Also this was hitting the bonnet, obviously. So I had to cut a bit more. But now it's okay, it's fine. And now the wiring looks a bit better. It's still like it's more tucked away. I'm going to also coil this up, and I'm going to find a wire which I'm going to use for the RPM. I splice it to this one and also give the gauge 12 volts and ground. So actually now I actually have lights. I have lights, and I also have in the rear so I have in the front, these are from 3 years ago. These are actually indicators for a bike, but that's the only thing, or the first thing I found at the store back in 2019 when I needed indicators in the front also. Don't remember where I put on this side because I removed it. I don't remember the reason, but it's gone, so either I'm gonna find the same as I have on the driver's side and put it on the passenger side, or I'm just gonna buy 2 new ones and put them in there. I think that's it from now. Yeah. And yeah, the bonnet is I mean, this bonnet is really not pretty. It was actually red, as you saw on the underneath. I have another bonnet. It looks better. It's not good, but it's black from factory. I have not cut in this one. This is gonna stay uncut. So the reason I bought this bonnet is just because I don't care about this. I can cut it, weld it, do whatever I want. I also have brake lights. I don't have enough relays to show you. I have a few, or actually, no, actually I have, but I'm not. Yeah, I have brake lights also. I need reverse. Yeah, that's it. Need reverse and need indicator. One indicator in the front. I think that's it.